Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to start a new project in Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere is where we are going to compose our images and our audio files for our AV project. Okay, so I'm just going to come down to my dock and access Premiere. We'll open that up. If you've got a Windows machine, you might access Premiere from your Program Files folder. Okay, cool. So I've got this dialog here, and I'm going to select a new project. In here it's asking me to give it a name, so let's call it AV project. And it's going to ask me for a place to put that. So I'm going to browse. Inside my projects folder, I've already started a folder for this project. It's called the AV Journey Project, and in there I've already started to collect my resources. I've got some images collected in here that I'm going to use, and I've got some sounds and any text and research I can put in here. I might put my Audacity files in this folder as well and keep everything all together. So for my Premiere project, I'm going to make a new folder called Premiere. We'll create that, and this is where we'll store our project. So let's choose that, and before we hit OK, let's go ahead and set our scratch discs. Now the scratch discs for a Premiere project is where Premiere will put all of the files associated with the project. That could be capture files. If you capture some video from a camera, Premiere will put these files in that folder. Okay, so we will set the scratch disk folder as the same folder as where we saved our file. So we can just same as project. We might want to choose somewhere or set it into a default documents folder, but in this case we'll choose the same folder as all the rest of our files for this project. Why is that a good idea? When we come to archive our project folder, once the project's finished and we want to store it on a hard drive somewhere or on a CD and file it off somewhere, all of our project files are in the same folder. Our images, our sounds, our Premiere project and our Audacity can all be kept in the same folder, and when you come to archive it, you just shove the whole thing away. Okay, so we're all cool. We're going to hit the OK button. For just now, we're going to settle on a sequence preset for our Premiere project, and we're going to choose a DV-PAL file. It's going to have a standard aspect ratio, which is the 4:3 aspect ratio. That will give us a screen size of 720 pixels across the way by 576 pixels down the way. And the audio standard that we're going to choose just now is going to be 48 kHz. Now, this may be a wee bit double Dutch to you just now, and we're going to explore these sequence presets and video formats fully in the video and animation unit, which will follow on from this later. But for just now, let's just take it as read that we're going to set ourselves up with a DV-PAL project, standard aspect ratio, with the audio coming in at 48 kHz. As it happens, that's the default preset in Premiere. Let's just go ahead and hit OK there, and we'll see the Premiere interface opening up. Fantastic. So this is our project space. There's our AV project named there. Okay, so if you can go ahead and do that, we'll come back with another video tutorial and we'll import some elements into our project. Thanks.